Hello friends, welcome to today's class. Now, in this very video, I want to show us an alternative way of carrying out the expansion of this to power 2. Any kind of expansion to power 2. The usual method we normally follow is we come and say that this will be equal to something like this. A plus x, bracket open and close, and then a plus x. Okay? And then we begin to multiply. That a times a will give us a squared. A times x will give us ax. X times a will give us ax. And then x times x will give us x squared. And then the next thing we are going to do is to collect like terms, because here and here are like terms. And this will end up giving us a squared plus 2ax and then plus x squared. And that becomes the expansion. But I discovered another way we can do it that will be very easier and it will save time for us and straight to the point. And that way is this. If we have a plus x all squared, and this will just be giving us something like, this will be equal to, I'm doing a times a will give me a squared. A times x times 2 will give me plus 2ax. And then x times x will end up giving me plus x squared. And that becomes the solution. So you see, I have to forgo all of these processes, 1, 2, to go straight to this final answer, which is shorter. Now, if we look at the one that has negative, for example, we have something like x minus 2 all squared, and we want to expand this. We're also going to use the same format again, and this is going to give us x times x will give us what? X squared. X times minus 2 times 2 will give us minus 4x. And then minus 2 times minus 2 will give us plus 4. And that becomes the answer. And simple as that. So it doesn't matter what kind of problem is given. As long as it is to the power of 2, you just follow this short method and get your answer.